Okay, so I'm at my friend's house. Look at that. I'm at my friend Luke's house, and he had this stretch Armstrong, and we were stretching it, and the arm tore off. So we ain't gonna try to fix it. We're gonna do the most reasonable thing and run it over with a golf cart. All right. All right there. Luke, you ready?
Yes.
All right, hold on. Go back, you stupid. Go!
Oh my god.
Okay, go over it again. Slow. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, we're trying to stretch the Armstrong out again.
I want to pee.
Okay, don't say that. Bro. The head cracked. Oh yeah. Okay, Luke, hold the camera. Alright, is it on me?
Yes.
Hey guys, this is a stretch Armstrong. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna stretch it out just a little bit. Just, get some tension. Alright.
Smack that thing. Oh my god!
Wait, did you stop?
No.
Okay, guys. It's just stretch Armstrong. Boom. Alright, let's check out the damage from the actual finger. Oh.
I fricked the blender.
Okay, so now we got this. We're gonna run it over again. Alright, so we're on the other side, and we're gonna lean him over just like this. Alright, now go very slowly. Go. Alright, hold on.
No, and then let me freeze.
Go again. Go down. Go. And if you don't know what's inside here, it's actually just corn syrup. Bro, look at that cheese pool. Bro, that is like a 6 foot long pool. You can barely see it on camera. Alright. Ah!
It's juicy.
Bro, I'm not even joking. 15 minutes ago, this thing was completely fine.
Alright, check it out.
Wait, hold on, stop. He's ripping.
Okay.
Alright, stop.
Alright, and then...
Alright, let me go. Alright. Bro, it's so red in there. Alright. Whew.
Oh, bro, gosh. Oh my god.
Okay,
Wait, what's the bottom look like? The other bottom. Oh.
See, this is his. Alright, I'm gonna stretch him out again. We're gonna stretch him out again?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Okay. Alright, go there. Alright.
I got one leg. Oh, okay.
Oh my god!
Look at that! Oh god!
Bro, there's white stuff in here.
Is it like a whip?
Bro!
Oh my gosh, it's so fragile.
Look, it snapped. It fragments. Alright. Yo, come here. Let's show the camera. So here's the corn syrup. You can just rip it off. Alright, now, watch this. It fragments like glass. It's like, okay, look at, there's white stuff in there. Come here. There's white stuff in here.
Oh, that's the part of the head, kind of.
Oh yeah, that's just a plastic.
Look, this thing's gonna shatter.
Yeah, that's just, bro. Some of it is dried in his foot.
Oh dang.
That's why it's crumbling so much. Bro, we gave him a scrape on the knee.
Oh,
That actually looks painful. That's like what my raccoon did to me. Yes, I have a pet raccoon. Yo, hold on.
I feel gross pain. It's so trippy. Oh shoot.
A huge fragment.
Your nuts are falling off.
Yo. Alright.
Oh my gosh. Dude, there was a nut in the stretch Armstrong.
Okay, let me see. Oh. Alright.
I tricked it.
Oh, I know where that huge piece came from. It came from his knee.
Oh.
Yeah, that huge piece came from his knee because it's a bit more solid down there.
We gave him knee surgery.
Yeah, literally. Alright. Alright. We love you guys. Grab his torso. No, let's go for the back. Come here.
Up.
Ooh. So this is all we could find because Luke threw one of the arms into the bushes over there. And I'm not going down there. So his face is cracked. His leg got completely ripped off. He has holes all over his body. One in his chest, one in his leg and foot. And like right there.
Oh my,
yeah, those
dude,
were
that scared the crap out of me.
We should do this with the Donald Trump.
No, the Donald Trump's vintage.
Okay, well, we should do it with the little one.
But the little one's my baby.
Okay.
We're only doing it with Stretch Armstrong.
We're gonna do it again. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drive and we're gonna throw it out of the golf cart. All right. I'm gonna throw it out in front of us. All right. Hold on. All right, Luke. Go fast. I don't think it did anything. No.
Oh my god.
All right, so what we're gonna do? Go. All right, my friend Luke, he's on the wheel. Chicken, wait up! Okay, hold on. I wasn't expecting you to go. I think we gave him some road rash.
A little bit, just a little bit. Oh my god.
Bro, his head.
A
piece of his head. Yeah. All right. So what we're gonna do next is I'll tell you when, but not yet.
Okay.
We're going to yeet the Stretch Armstrong off the back of the golf cart. All right. 3, 2, throw!
Safety firm. Oh god, it's still moving.
Wait, still get it then. Okay, well that's not the camera. Well, it wasn't that much damage on that one, but hold on, give me a minute.
What is that? Looks like a big old blister.
You had it sideways, so it's like this. Oh All the hard corn syrup went to the bottom of his foot. All right, I'm gonna chuck it towards the thing.
Okay, don't hit it.
Promises.
Oh my gosh.
Please tell me you got the right camera. Okay.
What is that?
Keep him like that. Okay, bro, okay, here's the piece. Here's the piece. Okay. So here's the...
How is this thing still existing?
Hold that. Keep that for the final product. All right. Okay. Hold on. Wait. Are you gonna throw it like right there?
Yeah.
All right.
Did nothing?
Wait! The tip of his foot!
Oh.
The tip of his foot fell off.
Oh, it's over! It's over there!
Look at that. All right, put it in the basket. All right. Ah! All right, hold on. Wait, what should we do now?
Did we crack the... No, I'm kidding.
What should we do now?
Alright, I'm gonna actually throw them as hard as I can over here.
Okay.
Okay.
Just like that. All right, keep it like that. All right, so look at that sticky mess. All right. I'm gonna throw them as far up as I can. Well, I'm gonna just throw them.
That thing's on...
25 minutes ago.
It was completely new, out of the box 25 minutes ago.
Till his arm ripped.
Yeah.
Bro, chunks of the pavement are stuck in his...
Oh my god.
Chunks of the pavement are stuck in his syrup. Wait. All right. One more time. One more time in this road. Do you see all those shatters?
Oh my gosh. He has no head, no arms, one leg missing.
All he has left is half a leg. Should I throw him at that lamppost?
Yeah, well, we're not going to be able to get him.
There we go. Oh, wait, no.
Right,
Let's throw it in this tree.
Yes.
Because we kind of running out of ideas.
All right, hold on. Let me hold him.
Yeah. All right.
All right, I am going to tear this thing.
Let me get it go.
Oh my gosh.
All right, it's recording. All right, I'm gonna see if I can break this thing. All right.
This thing's harder to break than you think it would be.
Bro, I'm tearing at it.
Oh my gosh, you ripped it off. Oh my gosh.
This Armstrong. This Josh Armstrong now. He's just a torso.
Oh my gosh.
This is painted on. Yeah, it's just like pulley paint. But
Hold on, let me get it go.
Alright, hold on. Yeah, wait, do you have a hose?
Hose?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should rinse them off. Alright.
Alright.
Wait.
Alright, I'm gonna grip them by like right here. Like it's kinda coming off.
Are we pulling it?
Sure.
Bro, this stuff is so hard. Bro, it looks like a Prince Rupert drop.
It does.
I mean, wait, isn't this stuff biodegradable?
Possibly.
I think corn syrup is, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna check in Google. If I'm not, there's gonna be a thing called idiot, like right here. But if I am, I'm gonna say smart. What are you doing?
Alright, something has happened to the Stretch Armstrong. Ew.
Alright, hold on. Alright, record me. It's recording. Alright. So you might be thinking, what are you two kids doing? Messing with the Stretch Armstrong. What is your goal? Our goal is to just get a body of corn syrup. I completely turned the body inside out.
Let me see it. What is this?
It's so smooth. Wait, hold on. Don't you think we should keep this?
I kind of want to.
I'm gonna throw it, and
Okay.
if it cracks in half, I'm gonna laugh so hard.
It's just kind of like shattered.
Yeah. All right.
And then this is what
I'm
you're
gonna do
left
it one
with.
more time. Luke. Oh God! It stuck to my hand. It stuck to my hand.
Bro, that crop's
Why
like
did it glide? All right.
a crop's like a frisbee.
All right. This time I'm actually gonna go. The last time, the reason why it went backwards is because it stuck to my hand.
Okay.
All right. Okay, you go get that. I'm gonna go get the body.
Slowly dying.
All right, all right. Slam it on the ground.
Oh,
Oh, wait. We have a little Stretch Armstrong.
we should make our own. Oh my God.
All right.
I'm gonna fold this thing like a Play-Doh ball.
Bro, that whiplash hit me in my thumb.
Ow. Alright, now.
Ow, there's briars. There's like briars. Huh. I get my finger on the camera. Hold on.
It's like a baseball.
This has the solidness
Oh my
of like a ball of amber. Get that. Oh, can you get the body too? Can you get the body? It's all the way back there. Bro, what the? Look at that idiot. He's just a stupid poo-poo butt face. He doesn't even know what I'm saying. So this is what is left of the Stretch Armstrong.
We tried to put it back together, but not all the pieces were there.
Yeah, because you threw the arms in the bushes. And one of the arms is at the house. So the face got completely shattered. I tried to put the body around, but Luke turned that into a ball, so. And his leg got ripped off. His foot got ripped off twice, which is weird.
Yeah, I don't even know how that happened.
There are definitely some pieces that got lost besides the corn syrup. That's okay. if you liked this video
Please
and you want us to make others like it, please subscribe so I can still come to my friend's house.
and like.
Yes, or I will eat your dog. So realistically, that's all what we have of the organs of him, and this is his skin.
Can I just ditch this?
We're gonna put it in a corner of your house and wait for your parents to notice.
Okay.
So that's all the skin.
Look at that.
This is all the skin we have, and that's the guts. No, please stop messing with it. So what we're doing now is we're finding a place to store all the parts. So when next time I come, we can, yeah.
Just kind of like, yeah. All right, let's go find a box.
I thought you said there was a foam cooler around here.
There was. It might have got demolished. I don't know. There used to be a foam cooler. Oh, there's this rack. There it is.
Okay, we are not littering. We're finding a place to put it because if we put it near his house, their dogs might eat it. And also, this place is pretty secluded. So unless you see this video and know where we are, you're not finding this. Or unless you just... It's a beer box.
This is disgusting. Why did I touch it?
Yeah, why did you touch it? Oh, that's nasty. Oh, those are oysters. Ew.
Bro.
There's oysters
Bro.
and there's oysters and not and soda. I don't think I can show that.
Is that a fish?
Yes, that's a fish tail. I don't think I can show that.
Why?
Because it's
Oh.
soda.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know if I can show that. Yo, we could put it over there.
Yeah.
All right. Hold on. Wait.
What is that?
Huh?
I'm scared.
I think somebody had a cookout.
Yeah, that's probably right.
Oh, we can put it in that tire. There's a tire over there. All right.
No, or we could flip that thing over, put it in, and then flip it back over.
What is that thing?
I don't know. I know it's hollow.
Is it?
Why am I touching it? Yeah.
There's a spider in it.
Oh.
All right. Oh, no. We should put it by that tree.
Yes.
All right.
Carly.
What is going on?
Allie called me.
Ugh. Her.
All right, we're gonna get her all the pieces so there's no remnants.
Yeah. All right, come on. Okay. We're gonna put it by this tree over here.
Yeah.
You go.
Dude.
All right. All right.
Road back there.
I'm gonna put it by that tree.
Oh.
Yeah, that.
All right,
Yeah, that
let's
one.
go. Good.
We will be back to collect the remains. Look. Tess.
Oh, that was on me.
Yeah, that was on you. And when I come back, we will check on it when I come back. But for now, that's it. That was us destroying a stretch Armstrong because why? It was fun.
Because yes.
Yes. The main reason why is because we were stretching it and the arm ripped off.
So what else to do except demolish the stretch Armstrong?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, if I will. Yeah. All right, but actually, oh, there's pavement stuck to it. But actually, if you do like more videos like this, please like and subscribe and comment and do anything to help me out because I want to come back to Luke's house.
I'll buy more.
Yeah, you can buy more.
And then next time you come over, we can destroy the little stretch Armstrong.
Or we can make another video because we still have an hour left before I leave.
Yeah, oh shit. Is that your grandma?
That's not my grandma.
Nobody drives down here. That's a little weird.
Okay, we're gonna wrap this video up because I don't know who that is.
Now, if we
See ya.
get kidnapped.